Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I would like to talk about how to use the different playlists and contents on my channel so that you are able to learn everything in sequence. So recently I have created a course on my YouTube channel. It's called DevOps SRE Live Training Zero to Hero course. So what I have here is I have the recordings from my recent batch that I'm about to complete. It's not complete yet. There are still few sessions to happen, but it is coming to an end. So I have tried to cover all the core things that SRE does, and I'm still going to add a few more. So if any one of you is interested to learn SRE from scratch, so this is like an absolute beginner level course, so anyone can actually go for it. And so if you see the videos, so it's a mix of both free videos and some member only videos. Okay, so it's a combination, and if you see, I have the sequence also. So in each video I have mentioned the number so that you are able to understand in what sequence exactly you have to go through the videos. So you can see right now it has 74 videos, but I'm going to add more, and some of the videos are already there on the channel. I just need to add them to this playlist, okay, in sequence. So that's what I want. So this is from where you can start from absolute scratch if you want to learn SRE and land an SRE job. Okay, I still do live trainings. Okay, I'm about to finish this batch and I'm about to start another batch soon. But if you are interested in going through recorded course, you can opt for this one. Okay, so it's a combination of both free videos and member only videos. So this is the playlist that you can start from. After that, all the other videos that you see are kind of like add on, or you can say, if you want to understand a few more things apart from the core SRE videos, then you can go for other playlist also, depending on what you want to learn. For example, you have this troubleshooting here where I've covered all the troubleshooting videos, so it is added to a playlist. So this what you can follow. But if you open this here, you will see all the most important videos that are going to help you crack the interview are all listed here. Okay, and as I mentioned, I'm going to add more to it. So I just wanted to highlight this, that this is from where you can start your DevOps SRE uh, uh, DevOps SRE course, and a few people have already opted for it. They are learning through it. If you have any doubts, you can always reach out to my WhatsApp number. I'm always available for support. Whenever I have time, you can send me a message and I'm going to reply to the message. Okay, so I just wanted to highlight that because a lot of people are reaching out to me, like how to use the content on my channel, from where to start, what is a sequence of videos. So this is where I fixed everything for you so that you can start from it from zero, and you can build on your knowledge, and hopefully you'll be able to crack the interview as well. One more thing I would like to highlight here is recently I have added a lot of observability related videos. So where I've performed hands-on videos, I also have the documents that you all can use to do hands-on in your own um, environment as well. So you can see I have videos on how to do a log aggregation using Grafana Loki. This is the exact solution that my company is using. Then how to use OpenTelemetry to collect metrics from a Spring Boot application, and then how to create the dashboards and alerts, how you can get alerts on a Slack channel. Okay, how to create the contact point. So all that I've covered in this video. Then this is for log aggregation. This one is where I speak about the difference between Prometheus and Mimir. You would have seen, I think, handful of videos on Prometheus, but in production, when you're working for a company, you don't use the default Prometheus community version. Use something called as Prometheus Mimir, which is a scalable solution that can be used to manage the data from multiple clusters. So I've spoken about the differences between Prometheus and Mimir here. And then there are some other videos, example this shell scripting crash course, where I'm talking about some production scenarios as well, some production use cases that you can explain in the interview especially. Okay, here I'm talking about, again, I'm talking about the Java Spring Boot application monitoring. using Prometheus and Grafana. This is where I've used the standard solution. Okay, but here I'm using Hotel as well. So I'm like trying to cover all the different use cases that I have experienced myself. So that you are able to understand how these tools actually work in real time, how you can explain that in the interview, all that stuff I'm trying to cover in these videos. So these videos are going to help you immensely to understand how how we can explain the interview that this is what I deployed for some applications in my current project or in my current company. Okay, so I just wanted to highlight this stuff so that you're able to understand how to use the content and how it's going to help you in the interviews as well. One more thing is I have some specialized videos on the current infrastructure that I'm supporting. So I've tried to explain about all those. As you can see, I was just a part of one a shell scripting production project. So I've covered everything. Once again, it's a hands-on video. You can also follow it along and you can try to replicate everything in your own environment. Then how do we actually promote the versions of Helm chart from dev to QA to prod? Then here I'm talking about the exact metrics architecture that we are using to support multiple applications here. So the entire architecture I'm explaining here, and the same you can use in your interviews as well. Then how the initial code that is developed by the developer becomes a image step by step, how it happens locally on the developer's laptop, and what is the exact process he can follow to push it to some shared repo where it can be deployed as an enterprise level application. So that I've covered here. Then here I am managing, I'm trying to talk about how many clusters I manage in my current company. And in this video, this one, I'm talking about what solution we are using to have the Grafana alert trigger an on-call notification to the on-call SRE person. So that I am speaking here. So in this way, there are, I think 13 videos are there that are based on what I currently do in my company, so that you are able to use that knowledge in your interviews as well. Okay, so those are the things that I'm trying to cover in these videos, and all these videos are part of that same DevOps SRE Zero to Hero course. Okay, once again, if you have any feedback on any of these videos, you can reach out to me. And if there's anything that I need to do better, I'm always okay to do that. I'm always ready to learn, because nobody is perfect. Everyone is trying to improve themselves, so am I. So I'm still like trying to make this course one of the best course out there, and it will take some time. But yes, as I mentioned, I'm going to keep adding the videos from time to time. I'm not going to stop, so it's going to be a continuous process, and the playlist is going to become really long, so that I'm able to cover each and everything that is there. But you know that how vast this domain is. But yes, I'm trying my best to add as many videos as possible, so that you are able to encounter any question that appears in the interview. Okay, so that's what I wanted to highlight in this video. And yes, I have a lot of new content coming up around cost optimization. I'm recently working on a cost optimization project, so I'm going to share all the insights so that you are able to understand how an SRE works when he or she is working on a cost optimization project. What are the things we need to take care of, how we can proceed step by step, what are the tasks assigned to us, all that stuff. Okay, so I'm going to share everything with you in the coming days. All right, guys, that's all I wanted to share in this video. Keep watching the videos. It helps me with motivation to create more content. Okay, and I'm also, keeping a check of on all of your suggestions whenever I'm getting time and trying to make all the videos as per your requirement. So yes, keep sharing your feedback, keep sharing your inputs. It really helps me build the content in future. All right, that's all for this one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.